Hey guys, I just recently bought the Crucial SSD from Amazon and I'm really excited to share my thoughts on this SSD. Let's start by taking a look at this SSD itself. Here how it's look. On the front side, you can see the Crucial logo and the bottom side BX500 model and left side 1000 GB variant. On the back, you can see where it's made. So this one was manufactured in Singapore with the manufacturing date of March 2024, which is recent. This MRP on this box, let me see, it's mentioned 10,000, but I actually got it of half of this price. I will tell you the exact price at the end of this video. And this SSD comes with 3 years of warranty. Let's go ahead and unpack it. Inside the box, there is SSD and one booklet. That's it. Nothing else is there. Only SSD and the booklet. The SSD itself is made out of plastic and it's incredibly lightweight. Especially if you compared it to traditional hard drive, it feels like nothing on your hand, which is great for keeping your system light and fast. Now, some of you might be wondering why I just choose BX500 when there are so many good options are available on the online market right now. So the main reason was I choose BX500 was price and the reliability. Crucial also has MX500. On that SSD, they also offer 5 years of warranty, DRAM and TLC NAND flash memory. But the price point of the MX500 was almost double than BX500. That's why I choose BX500. Before buying this SSD, I did a lot of research like reading reviews, forums, posts. The overall feedback was pretty good. About 80% of user actually satisfied with this SSD. Now in this price range, there is another popular option is WD. They offer WD blue, WD green. However, one key difference is the TBW rating. The WD green has the lower TBW. Actually, they didn't mention in their official site that how much TBW they offer on the green one. I read on some forum that many user telling that 100 to 200 TBW they offer, while as in PX500 they offer 360 TBW. They mentioned in their official site. That's what I'm telling. Also, many user reported that WD SSD doesn't last long as the Crucial one. In the market, there are total 4 types of SSDs are available. I will tell you one by one. We will start with SLC, which is known for single level cell. This actually stores 1 bit per cells, and this is the most fastest and reliable, and also comes with most expensive one in the list, and it's of a smaller capacities. Next we are talking about the MLC, which known for multi-level cell. It gives you good balance of between performance and durability. It stores 2 bit per cells, and you will find MLCs in high performance consumers and enterprise drives where both cost and performance are important. Third is TLC, which known for triple level cell. This is the most affordable and gives you decent capacity. It stored 3 bits per cell, making it cheaper than SLC and MLC, but with lower performance and endurance. It's perfect for everyday use like gaming or office work. Fourth is QLC, which known for quad level cell. This is the most affordable but has the lowest performance and endurance. It stores 4 bits per cell, so it offers highest storage capacities at the lowest price. So the Crucial BX500 SSD uses 96 layer of 3D QLC NAND flash memory. But what does that mean? First, the 96 layer means memory cells are stacked in 96 layers. This stacking allows for the higher storage density, meaning we can fit more data into smaller space compared to our older technology. Now, when we say 3D, it refers to how these memory cells are arranged vertically. This design improved performance and efficiency compared to the older 2D NAND structures. Next up is QLC, which stands for quad level cell. Yes, this SSD uses QLC NAND flash memory. This means that each memory cell can store 4 bits of data. While this gives the BX500 a larger storage capacity, it typically means lower performance and endurance compared to other types of NAND like TLC, which store 3 bits per cell. So now we are talking about which type of controller are used in this SSD. It uses Silicon Motion SM2259XT controller with 32-bit ARC architecture, a single core design running a 437 MHz built on a 28nm process supporting 4 flash channel at 525 MTS with 4 chip enabled for efficient data management. This SSD uses SLC write cache. Even though this SSD uses QLC NAND flash memory, it still included an SLC write cache. So what does that mean? Well, the SLC write cache allows the SSD to temporarily store data in a faster single level cell format before writing it to the main QLC storage. This means that when you write data, it first goes into the SLC cache, which is much quicker. This feature provides a significant performance boost during the write operation. While QLC is generally slower and has a lower endurance, the SLC cache speed up those initial write speed. Once the SLC cache fills up, the SSD will then write the data into QLC NAND. This allows for efficient data management, especially during tasks that require fast write speeds like gaming or video editing. Alright, I have installed the Crucial SSD on my PC, but it's not showing up in this PC. Let me show you how to fix it. We need to format this SSD and make it for Windows ready. First, open Disk Management, go to your Start menu and search for Create and Format Hard Disk Partition. When you open it, this is the tool we need to set up our SSD. When you first time open it, the pop-up notice appear. It asking you to choose the partition style. Here's are two options, MBR and GPT. So the MBR is the old partition style and GPT is the newer one. It supports larger drives and more partitions. It's the best option for modem system and works great with Windows 11. Since we are working with new SSD and modem systems, choose GPT. Next, right click on the new SSD in the list and select new simple volume and click next. Click next to continue. Now it asks for specify the volume size. Here it's best to leave the default size as it is. So just click next. Here you can choose the drive letter. I'm going to choose E, but you can pick whatever letter you like. Then click next. Now on the screen leave everything as it is and click next. And finally click finish. Okay, now it's done. Your SSD should show on the under this PC and it's ready to use. As you can see, mine is now showing up as a drive E. Alright, now let's check the storage speeds of this Crucial BX500 SSD. For this, I'm using CrystalDiskMark AV edition. First, I will run up the test and see what read and write speed we get. As you can see, here's the speed after the test. Okay, now I'm going to once again speed test. As you can see, the result shows the read and write speeds and they look pretty impressive. And there we have it, the speeds are consistent, which is great to see. This performance really highlights the capability of Crucial BX500 SSD. Okay, it's time for actual speed test to see how much speed I can get from this SSD. On my left side, I have the WD Blue SA510 SATA SSD and on my right side, I have the Crucial BX500. For the test, I will write the 6.92 GB file onto the Crucial SSD. Now let's see how fast it can handle that. Great, the file has been successfully written to the Crucial BX500 SSD. Next, I will copy the same 6192 GB file from the Crucial SSD to WD Blue SSD. Let's see how much quickly it can transfer. This comparison gives us a good idea about how performance of both SSD are. I know many of you might be confused because at the beginning of this video I assigned the Crucial BX500 SSD as the E drive, but now it's showing up as a D drive. Let me clarify. This happened because after a couple of days I changed the drive letter from E to D. Sometimes Windows will assign drive letter differently, especially if you add or remove the other drives. So just clear things up, it's still the same Crucial BX500 SSD. The only thing that changed is drive letter, not the SSD. Alright, let's run one more test. This time I have 80 GB file on the WD Blue. I'm going to cut the file and paste it into the Crucial SSD and see how quickly it can be transferred. You have probably seen various SSD tools provided by different company. For example, I have a WD SSD and a WD has its own tool called WD dashboard. In this tool, I can access the range of features like settings for my SSDs. Similarly, Crucial offers its own SSD management tool called Crucial Storage Executive. With this tool, you can monitor important details like temperature, TBW, firmware update, and even manage features like momentum cache and many more features. This tool actually helps you to get most out of your SSDs and keep it running very smoothly. Okay, to download this Crucial Storage Executive software, first you need to go to the official Crucial website and find the download link for this software. And here's the software. Once it downloaded, here's the quick setup guide for the installing. Accept the terms and condition when prompt. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation process. Next, accept the terms and condition when it has. After installing, you can access the range of features like including monitoring your tool's temperature, checking TBW, updating firmwares, and managing momentum cache features. All these features are now you can access it from the software. Okay, now let's talk about the warranty. To check your SSD's warranty, you need to visit the Crucial website, the official one. The official one I'm talking about. Once you are there, simply paste the serial number of your SSD into the design field and you will see your warranty status. It's quick and easy process to ensure you to know that what kind of supports you have for your Crucial SSD. That's it for today guys. If you have any question about this SSD, just leave a comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.